The Faculty of Medicine at Paweł Józef Szafarik University in Košice is an institution with over a 65-year-long history. Teaching of medical students began here in September 1948, and since then it has educated more than 12,000 of them for their prospective profession. Since 1992, it has enabled international students to complete their medical studies in the English language. Young people from 40 countries of the world avail themselves of this opportunity at present. The history of the faculty is closely linked with the development of human medicine in eastern Slovakia after the Second World War. The emergence of the Faculty of Medicine in Košice in the year 1948 was a response to the then shortage of medical doctors in the region of eastern Slovakia. Establishment of the Faculty of Medicine not only meant the beginnings of modern medical education in this part of the country, but also the development of higher education in the region. The metropolis of eastern Slovakia continued the university tradition that dates as far back as the 17th century. The city of Košice is the second largest city of the Slovak Republic. It is the seat of the Constitutional Court of the Slovak Republic and the center of the Košice region self-government. It is located in the eastern part of Slovakia, bordering closely on Hungary, Ukraine and Poland, and its convenient location had made it an important intersection of trade routes in the past. Even today, the city is not only a key economic agglomeration, but also a junction of transport routes with a railway hub and an international airport. Košice is the first European city that had been granted its patent of arms. Other European primacy is associated with sports. The oldest European and the second oldest world marathon takes place here on the first Sunday of October. Its historical center is the largest urban preserve in the Slovak Republic, with many beautiful historic buildings. At its heart there stands the beautiful St. Elizabeth Dome, which is the easternmost late Gothic cathedral in Europe. Over 100 years old impressive building of the State Theatre of Košice stands in its vicinity, being one of a number of cultural stalls in the city. The largest zoo in Central Europe and the largest botanical garden belonging to Paweł Józef Szafarik University in Košice lie within the city limits. The botanical garden boasts the largest collection of cacti and the widest variety of tropical and subtropical plants in the Slovak Republic. The city of Košice is of cosmopolitan character, its population amounting to 250,000. The average age of its residents is 35 years, thus having become known as a city of young people. The highest level of education here is mainly provided by 3 universities located in Košice, of which Szafarik University is the oldest one, being the second oldest classical university in Slovakia. The Faculty of Medicine at Szafarik is the oldest faculty of this university. It provides postgraduate study in the curricula of general medicine and dentistry, as well as bachelor's and master's degree study programs in nursing, physiotherapy and public health. It also offers PhD study and postgraduate training of health professionals, including specialized education. In addition to its teaching activity, the faculty is engaged in abundance of scientific and research activities in both national and international projects, using its unique laboratories and equipment funded by the European Structural Funds. Orientation of the faculty at major research projects increases the quality of research output rating and prestige of the Faculty of Medicine at Shafarik, including the focus on the quality of learning that observes current knowledge of medical science. The Faculty of Medicine consists of 60 units, institutes, departments, scientific research and experimental workplaces, and special-purpose facilities. Its modern high-rise building is located in close proximity to the Louis Pasteur University Hospital, where students take the bulk of practical training. Its teaching base represents a total of 11 medical institutions that allow students a direct contact with patients and employment of modern treatment methods. Theoretical teaching takes place in lecturing halls and auditoriums, laboratories, and specialized practical training rooms equipped with modern amenities. The Faculty of Medicine at Shafarik University in Košice is an agile institution that has its unique place in the development of medical science and in education of physicians in the field of human medicine, not only for covering the societal demand of Slovakia, but also in many countries of the world, Europe, Asia, Africa, America, and Australia. It is very successful in fulfilling its basic social mission, educating high-quality physicians and implementing top-quality medical research. Quality teaching at this faculty provides a very good basis for employment of its graduates in the labor market.